Bismillahir Rahmanir Raheem. Huwallahu ahad, Allahus samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad, wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad.
TAFSIR, Surah Al Ikhlas. The word Al Ikhlas is an Arabic word that means sincerity, purity, and refining. Surah Al Ikhlas, protect from shirk. When the Jews said, "We worship Ezra, the son of Allah," and the Christians said, "We worship the Messiah, Isa, the son of Allah," and the Zoroastrians said, "We worship the sun and the moon," and the idolaters said, "We worship idols," Allah revealed to his messenger, "Say, He is Allah, one, He is the one, the singular, who has no peer, no assistant, no rival, no equal and known, comparable to Him." The word Al-Ahad cannot be used for anyone in affirmation except for Allah within the Islamic tradition. Surah Al-Ikhlas is a Makki surah that was revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, before Hijrah. Muslim scholars suggested that Makki surahs were mainly directed towards raising up a correct creed, Aqidah. According to the Hadith, Surah Al-Ikhlas' reward is equivalent to 1/3 of the Quran and teaching the very basics of Islam. It is one of the greatest surahs of the Quran, owing to its focused and comprehensive speech on Allah's oneness and attributes that clearly refers to purify the heart and sincerely worshiping. It broadens one's vision towards different perspectives of the religion. Narrated, Hazrat Aisha Razi Allah Ta'ala anhu, the Prophet Muhammad Rasul Allah sent an army unit under the command of a man who used to lead his companions in the prayers and would finish his recitation with the Surah Al-Ikhlas. "Say, O Muhammad, He is Allah, the One." When they returned from the battle, they mentioned that to the Prophet. He said to them, "Ask him why he does so." They asked him and he said, "I do so because it mentions the qualities of the Beneficent and I love to recite it in my prayer." The Prophet said to them, "Tell him that Allah loves him